What's going on, you guys? It's Rhonda back again. It's really Rhonda on Instagram. Check my description for the link. Follow me over there. My camera is still out, you guys, but no worries. We're going to get that back. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best trading platform for beginners in 2026. I've been using this software now for the last 6 months. It's been amazing. I've been trading since 2017, so I'm not new, but I can understand it from a new person's perspective. Now, so far, I've helped over 80 people start trading using the same exact platform because it's simple, it's easy. The company is called AkashX. The software is AI generated, it's automation. You can download the app on your phone, you can download it on your computer. You can do this from anywhere. And how it works is they have a software called Tap to Trade. Now, Tap to Trade looks just like this. What happens is you connect it to your phone, you connect it to your broker. If you don't have a Forex broker, look at the description below, and I have my trusted broker right there for you. Now, what you're going to do is connect this to your broker, and when the company calls a trade, it will have an approve button right here. And all you have to do is hit the approve button. Now, once you hit the approve button, they already have your entry price. They already have your stop loss. They already have your take profit, meaning that you don't have to do anything from there. All you have to do is choose your lot, which is how much you're willing to risk, or you can choose your risk percentage. Either way, you can do 1 to 3, 3 to 5, whatever you choose. And I teach that inside of my mentorship group. I teach you about risk management. I teach you about how to maximize your risk and minimize any loss, right? So don't worry about that. But once you get the app on your phone, it'll come to you as an alert. Once the alert comes in, boom, you take the trade. You can take your hands off. You don't have to do anything from there. As you can see here on the left-hand side, they have FX Edge, Joel, Abid, right? These are some of my favorite ones. You can indicate them by the little bell icon. That's the ones I like to look at. And with that being said, you see 353 wins, 137 wins, 40 total wins, 21 wins. Now, you can understand that these guys have been vetted by the company. These aren't random guys off the street. They had to prove themselves over a 90-day trading window. They had to show their FX book. They had to be able to hit a certain target goal to be an educator on this platform. Now, with this, the newest person in the room doesn't have to know what any of this stuff means. Literally, you don't have to know what any of this up, down, all these numbers on the side. You just have to know how to press the approve button. Now, if you don't believe me, you can scroll down here. I can go back days, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. If I wanted to right here, I can go next, 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 right? And it shows 5 days ago, 6 days ago, 7 days ago. And as you can see right here, 1, 3, lost 2. Won every single trade. Won every single trade. So just imagine being out and about, being at work, being with the kids, being able to take trades that come straight to your phone from educators who know exactly what they're doing. Not only that, we have pulse signals. The pulse signals come to your phone the exact same way. It tells you your entry price, your stop loss, your take profit. And all you have to do is copy this, put this into your trade locker or your MetaTrader, whatever you're choosing to use, and you take the trades. Literally, they come through all day. If you check the times right here, 8:13, 8:43, 7:26, and it updates. It tells you when the trade has hit take profit. As you can see, we hit all take profits 1 through 5. Arabella is 21 years old. She's phenomenal, and she is the gold expert on the platform. All she calls is gold. So as you can see here, XAU, USD, we're getting a lot of gold trades just based on the market and where things are with the government. So with this, guys, not only are you learning and earning at the same time, we have an academy from beginner to advanced to expert. Literally, you can come in as a new person who knows nothing. While you're making money with Tap to Trade and Pulse, you can actually start going into your academy and learning. It was broken down into lessons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All you do is hit the start button, and it goes through just like that. Someone actually teaching you, right? So if you don't think that's enough, we have live sessions. Just like Hulu, just like Netflix, these guys come on every single day. You can find the educator of your choice, and you can actually go into a live session. Like I said, I love Arabella. She's amazing. If I happen to miss Arabella's session, I can go back and watch the replay. Inside of the replay, I can see what she marked up. I can see why she marked it up. It tells me what she was looking at, why she was looking at it. And then there's a live chat box. While you're in the session, you can type in the chat box and get an answer right away. So with this being said, this is how a lot of my students have been winning, because they're utilizing all of these layers, the academy, the live sessions, the tap to trade, the pulse signals, and they're making money every single day. So guys, if this is something that might be of interest to you, if you're new in your journey, if you're just starting out, if you're wanting to get into it and you're wanting to learn how to make money as a complete newbie, this is the best platform in 2026 in my opinion. If you're wanting to get started, there's going to be a link in the description. Just click that, go to my website, go ahead and get started, and then book a call with me. We'll hop on the phone. I'll answer any questions. I'll break down anything else that you want to see, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.